Welcome to the best pick. The best Hismile Purple Corrector is probably one of the most talked about innovations in teeth whitening, promising to neutralize yellow tones and brighten your smile without harsh chemicals, making it a go-to for those seeking a quick and effective boost before a special event or just for everyday confidence. Number 5. SmileDirectClub Teeth Whitening Kit. Achieve a noticeably brighter smile with our advanced teeth whitening kit. It's designed for professional strength results right at home. Experience the power of professional strength hydrogen peroxide. This formula effectively lifts stains for a radiant smile. Our kit includes an LED light that enhances the whitening process. Simply apply the gel and let the light work its magic. The 4 included gel pens make application effortless and precise. Keep your smile looking its best wherever you go. See a visible difference in your smile's brightness quickly. Get ready to show off your dazzling results. This is your all-in-one solution for a whiter, more confident smile. Enjoy the convenience and effectiveness of our premium kit. What we like. This kit offers professional strength whitening with advanced LED light technology for faster results. Its convenient gel pens make application easy and precise. If you're looking for a powerful, at-home whitening solution that mimics professional treatments, this is a great choice. What people say. It absolutely works. Even my dentist asked what I used because he was impressed with how even and white my teeth were. It's also super gentle on your gums as well, and I've never once experienced any discomfort or sensitivity after using it. After 2 tubes, 25 to 30 plus years of coffee and tea stains are mostly gone and my smile is noticeably whiter and brighter. Number 4. EZGO 10-pack Teeth Whitening Gel Refills. Achieve a brighter smile with our advanced teeth whitening gel. It's formulated to be tough on stains but gentle on your teeth, ensuring a comfortable experience. Harnessing the power of 22% carbamide peroxide, this formula effectively lifts discoloration. You can trust it to deliver noticeable results without sensitivity. Worried about sensitivity? This product is specifically designed for those with sensitive teeth. Enjoy a whiter smile without the discomfort. Experience a pleasant application with its refreshing mint flavor. It makes the whitening process more enjoyable. This convenient 10-pack ensures you have plenty for ongoing use. Keep your smile looking its best with this ample supply. Simply apply the gel as directed and let it work its magic. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to achieve a visibly whiter smile. What we like. Designed specifically for sensitive teeth, this formula provides effective whitening without discomfort. The bulk refill pack ensures you have plenty of product on hand. If you've experienced sensitivity with other whitening products or need a gentle yet effective option, these refills are ideal. What people say. The applicator is the best I've ever used, bar none. Very precise, narrow tip and easy control. It allows you to put as much gel as you want exactly where you want. The whitening effect of this gel is quite good. I noticed the difference after the very first use, and especially after the second. This stuff works so well. I am quite impressed. I bet in the 2 hours I had the trays in my teeth brightened by 2 shades at leave. Number 3. Marvis Jasmin Mint Toothpaste. Experience the luxurious taste of jasmine and mint. This toothpaste offers a unique and sophisticated way to keep your smile bright. Discover a classic approach to oral hygiene. It combines timeless flavors with effective cleaning for a truly elevated experience. Let the enchanting aroma of jasmine and the refreshing zest of mint transform your daily routine. It's more than just toothpaste, it's a sensory journey. Achieve a dazzling smile with this exquisite formula. It gently cleanses and polishes, leaving your teeth feeling exceptionally fresh and looking their best. Crafted with the finest ingredients, this toothpaste embodies Italian excellence. Indulge in a superior clean that cares for your oral health. Make your daily brushing a moment of pleasure. Its distinctive flavor profile and effective cleaning action will redefine your expectations. What we like. Experience a unique and sophisticated oral care routine with its distinct jasmine mint flavor. This toothpaste is perfect for daily use, offering a luxurious feel. If you appreciate premium oral hygiene products and enjoy distinctive, pleasant flavors, this toothpaste elevates your daily routine. What people say. The toothpaste formula itself does a good job cleaning and whitening my teeth, and as a person with sensitive teeth, I have never had a problem with my teeth or gums hurt after. The quality of the toothpaste is very good and the jasmine flavor pronounced. My teeth felt incredibly clean. The flavor and scent smells amazing. The jasmine and mint must be essential oils, extra, etc. It tastes so pure and packed a powerful burst in your mouth. Once I knew I loved it, I went in with a glob full. This toothpaste pulled so much mucus out of my mouth I was stunned. The amount of mucus the jasmine and mint pulled out shocked me and I wasn't under the weather. The mucus was coming off not just my tongue but my gums, upper and lower teeth, my throat. Wow. I'm hooked. Number 2. Lumineux Teeth Whitening Strips Kit. Achieve a brighter smile with our advanced teeth whitening strips. Experience a gentle yet effective whitening process that is safe for your enamel. Our formula is peroxide-free, ensuring it's gentle on your teeth and gums. You can confidently use it knowing your enamel is protected throughout the treatment. Developed with dental expertise, these strips are designed for optimal results. Get that professional whitening feeling right at home. This kit provides a full month's supply of 9 treatments. It's everything you need for a visibly whiter smile in just 1 month. Say goodbye to sensitivity and hello to a radiant smile. Our whitening strips offer a comfortable and effective solution for a brighter you. What we like? Achieve whiter teeth safely with this peroxide-free and enamel-safe formula. It delivers whitening without any sensitivity, making it perfect for daily use. If you prioritize gentle, natural whitening and want to avoid harsh chemicals, this kit is an excellent option for a brighter smile. What people say. These strips do not bother my teeth or gums at all and my teeth are shiny white and they just keep getting better after every treatment. These strips have made a noticeable difference in my smile without the sensitivity I've experienced with other products. I appreciate that they're peroxide-free and enamel-safe, so they feel gentler on my teeth and gums while still delivering real whitening results. Zero sensitivity and also protects tooth enamel too that I highly recommend. I use 3 to 4x a week and my teeth are noticeably whiter. Number 1. Purple Toothpaste Teeth Whitening Color Corrector Serum. Discover the revolutionary way to achieve a brighter smile. Our innovative serum is designed to instantly enhance your teeth's natural radiance. Experience immediate results with our advanced color correcting technology. It works to visibly whiten your teeth in just 1 use. Tired of stubborn stains? This powerful formula effectively neutralizes discoloration, revealing a cleaner, more vibrant smile. Utilizing the principles of color theory, it cancels out yellow tones. Achieve a beautifully balanced and noticeably whiter smile effortlessly. Get ready to show off your smile with confidence. This is your go-to solution for a brighter, more attractive appearance. What we like? This serum instantly corrects tooth discoloration and neutralizes stubborn stains for a visibly brighter smile. Its innovative purple formula targets yellow tones effectively. If you're looking for an immediate visual improvement and a quick boost to your smile's brightness, this color corrector is your go-to solution. What people say. It really brightens up my smile. This purple corrector is surprisingly effective at neutralizing yellow tones. It leaves my teeth looking noticeably whiter without any chalky residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.